Hello everyone, I am Sai Jasneer. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Realme X7 specifications and all the details regarding this smartphone. And just today, right now, the Realme did launch the Realme X7 and the X Pro together. So in this particular video, I'll try to focus only on the X7 variant, X7 model particularly. I did a lot of videos already uploaded on the Realme X7 Pro. Make sure to check those videos. In case if you're planning to buy the smartphone, there is also playlist available. So let's get started, friends, with this kind of Realme X7 in-depth specifications and initial impressions about this smartphone as well. So let's start with the price. The price of this phone, it's starting from the 20,000, as you can see. So 20,000 is a base variant and the 22,000 is a 8GB RAM variant. So this is the pricing details of this phone right now. So you do get the two different colors. So one is the space silver, so which is currently right now, and next is a nebula color, as you can see, so which will be representing the universe colors. So that is how it will be represented. So a nebula color, so two colors will be available in this smartphone. So first, let's talk about the processor. The processor is a Dimensity 800U processor, and this is the first time the Dimensity 800U is coming in the Indian smartphones with a 5G chipset. As you can see, this is a 5G, and which has a dual 5G mode. As you can see, friends, the Realme, they did clearly mention that dual SIM support test for the dual 5G mode. So not only that, there are so much other options available, so which I'll try to explain. And the Antutu benchmark score in the Dimensity 800U is about 3,40,000. So that's also another bonus advantage right now in this mobile phone with the Realme X7. So for the 20,000 price, we are getting the 3,40,000 of the Antutu benchmark score. So nowadays we did see the Antutu benchmark score going higher. So with the Snapdragon 750G, and next is this Dimensity 800U processor. So in terms of the Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz is also supported in this phone. So these are the few things regarding the processor, and there is also another option called dual Wi-Fi plus 5G connection using at same time. I'll try to show you those as well details. So overall, friends, in terms of the display of this Realme X7, which has got the Super AMOLED panel display, as you can see, Super AMOLED panel, and which will be having the in-display fingerprint scanner, not the side, not the back, in-display fingerprint scanner. And the phone will be having 600 nits of brightness, 600 nits of brightness and 180 Hz touch sampling rate. There is no higher refresh rate, but you do have the 180 Hz touch sampling rate right now. So there's a DSC dimming feature and in-display fingerprint scanner. As you can see, these are the few details which about the display as well. So these are the few areas, but it did lack of having the higher refresh rate, not the 60, not the 90, and not the 120 particularly. So that's if the Realme would have added those kind of features in this phone, then definitely it would have been the best phone as well for this kind of price range, but that's not the case, unfortunately. So next, let's deal about the battery and the charging. The phone has the charging of the battery capacity of 4,300 mAh of battery capacity, 310 mAh of capacity, and the 50-watt fast charger. But in the box, the Realme will be included the 65-watt fast charger, not the 51, 65 watt. So if you are having any other Realme phone, so it will be a clearly advantage using the 65 watt from the Realme X7 to the X7 Pro as well in the future. So the time takes about 47 minutes to complete charge from the 0 to 100. 47 minutes for the 50 watt charging. That's quite a little bit high, I would say, definitely. As you can see, friends, 47 minutes. So overall, for this kind of 4,310 mAh of battery, there is a little bit of battery backup issues also gonna rise very soon once the lot of users start buying the phone, and then they will be trying to give the reply as well for the comments or for the review of this smartphone. Then we'll get to know and about the battery backup. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll try to do in-depth videos as well. So next is another thing, as I said, there is an option called the Wi-Fi plus 5G, as you can see, dual channel network aggregation, which is present in the Realme X7 device. That's also another good advantage which is present here, as you can see, friends. And in terms of the camera, 64 megapixel main camera and ultra wide megapixel and the ultra macro lens. As you can see, there are 3 camera lenses present in this Realme category. So before it used to be 4 cameras in the back side, but now there is only 3 cameras in the back side. That's also another thing you need to notice. So next, these are the few specifications about this camera. If you want, you can read this all the specifications as well. So which are the normal and basic specifications which are listed here. So there is another modes which is called the video stabilization mode and the cinema mode and the max video stabilization mode, slow motion at 120 fps and 240 fps only. Maybe in the future we might be able to get that kind of update, but right now 960 fps is not supported in this device, and cinematic mode is also supported in this phone. So as a overall friends, this is a complete image of this Realme X7, which has a 176 grams, 81 millimeter thickness and Dimensity 800U, and with a dual 5G connection, dual 5G Realme UI only. So Realme UI 1. I think 1. So you won't be getting that Realme UI 2.0. You'll be getting only 1.0 only out of the box. That's also another quite a disadvantage. So only the Android 10 update right now. You maybe in the future you'll be getting the Android 11. But these are the few specifications and in-depth tutorial on this Realme X7 device. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, iTech Guru. And the most interesting part which I'm excited is about the having the connectivity of the 5G plus Wi-Fi using connection is another good advantage in this smartphone. 5G plus Wi-Fi. Another most important thing about the brightness as well, 600 nits of brightness. That's also another good advantage. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, iTech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.